I need to talk about fruits in class tomorrow. That's good. There's so much to talk about. Good. I don't know about that. I've been thinking about what to say, but I haven't got a clue. Do you mind giving me a few ideas? No, I don't mind. Why don't you talk about fruits made? Why don't you talk about drinks made from fruits? Or perhaps you can talk about the different fruits around the world? I thought every country in the world had the same fruits. No, different climates have different fruits. For instance, Europe has a lot of apples and grapes. Tropical countries have fruits like mangoes and pineapples. Now that you mention it, I think you're right. There must be a lot of things I can talk about tomorrow. Thanks for the ideas. Did you know that there are billions of animals and plants living in the sea? I know fish live in the sea, but plants, I have not heard of such a thing. Seaweed is a sea plant, but that's only one type. In fact, most of the world's oxygens come from sea plants. What? Now that you're really joking, everyone knows that trees give us oxygen. Yes, plants on land give out oxygen too. There are a lot of very small plants floating in the sea that produce oxygen. These plants in the sea produce 1,000 times more oxygen than all the trees in the world. Wow, I didn't know that. We should take care of our oceans better. I don't want the ocean to stop producing oxygen. Yes, that is an important reason to keep the sea clean. Everyone knows that plants and animals are very different. The biggest difference is that plants do not have a mouth to eat and a brain to think like animals. Plants also have very different cells from animals. Most plants use a process called photosynthesis to get energy from the sun, not like animals, which have to eat to get energy. The leaves of the plant change light into energy that the plants can use. When plants change light to energy, they release oxygen into the air. Most plants also have a different cell structure from animal cells. Plants have something called a cell wall. These walls are why plants break and not bend like animal skin. This is needed because plants do not have muscle to shape themselves.